Justice, we tell them, justice is from the gun town. Touch juvenile and get gunned down. Real gangsters and we no fuck around. Them broke the speed limit and get gunned down. This is justice town, so necessary. We tell them say yo, justice to the fucking world. So
I don't know, you don't know now. I wanna let the DJ, you know. I'm at the world, you know. Sea dog, you know, curry dog, you know, that's what we say, you know. You want to go on there too. Enough man I even know.
And next ambassador,
Collie Rush.
Shoot
me, ball. I tell the people them night place say you don't know righteousness cover the earth. See it. And I say blessed the man that walk it not in the counsel of the ungodly. Now stand the ways of sinner. Now sit the seas of scornful. Is the light in the Lord Rastafari, don't meditate day and night. He shall be like the tree that planted by the river of water. Now bring forth his fruits in the season. His leaves shall show not wither. Whatsoever I do shall prosper. The ungodly are not so, but that draft that we have driven away. Justice pray for you. Even though sometimes you're so covetous, justice pray for you. Even though you're bad mind and malicious, justice pray for you.
Hellfire.
Even though sometimes you get so jealous, justice pray for you. And I hope that you pray for me too. Say my God make the rising sun, and he makes the morning dew.
More fire.
He makes the stars in the sky, the sea and the moon.
Hellfire.
Any man in the answer there is justice on a wicked sound. And ain't no other sound can come to justice sound. I say down.
Rising by.
Pray for you. Pray for you.
Don't deny it, but the cock is a parasite.
Justice and bubble shanty.
Hold on, Jonah.
Sound like
a long time.
You don't know, see.
Yeah, long time. You don't worry about war. I don't need no new friend. That's what the thing. I don't need no new friend. I will see a friend from them. That's what I say. I will look at what's a Jonah video. Them no like we. No papi I hate and me say enough of them a fight me. They know my style, but they fuck of them and rate me. What's it them put the lead? They don't shot me in daily. Do you hear me? Some corny MCs they need to lead the limelight. Put them down to business because them not dealing with this right. Make them participate in sex. Put them sex alright. She called me and said justice come finish the work tonight. Make them see a show up in bus. Them couldn't bust it right. The people them a shout out give justice the mic. You know I'm not a singer but me love the hype life. You know I'm not a rapper but me love the hype life. Me just born hypocrite. Born outside. Born batty man. Born sodomite. Born batty boy. Him not have it right. Some kind of DJ sit down all day and a write. Go a studio and a rehearse all night. Come a dance all and still not sound right. When justice hold the mic, should I see the fire? Should I see the light? At the end of the night, no make them want to fight them, no like me. No for them, my friend with name Jonah Cat. I mean, I'll tell you the real truth. So I'm going to start justice. And the first man give me 8 down plates and say, you go conquer the world, you're wicked, you're bad. And when I got to my first year anniversary, and the first artist come and bless me thing. So I'm going to say, Jonah Cat, anywhere you're there, big up yourself from heart. Honor.
Thank you, sir. I said the first girl, just the personality of a little bit sure. John Rastafari. Yeah. Oh, yeah, rock a roll. I will never run now. Until I run up from now. Till I see I saw. Sometimes some of them are running back. The road boy, you have enough to take back and stand. Sometimes some of them are running back. The road boy, you have enough to take back and stand. You don't want to do nothing to that man. All it tells by a long soul like that man. When we come get the seven of the black. Look at them out about them a bubble dreadlock. But after that say I got some of back. Look at them a old family in a shape rock. Still a step folk with the animal track. And a fan of soap and a eat and a frack. Who them need the body and cut off them dreadlock. Get them out as I am with a barada shot on. Pull up the one to say you now with the datan. Fall it out and you love the top and come true. So that that come true. The one with the tree like a good like a say the one. Hold on. Oh, ragga, ragga, ragga. Play Bible King Columbia Library. I say hello come from Jacksonville, make the soul one. Hello come from Jamaica, make the soul one. Because kill them pussy and we kill them before that. Ragga, ragga, ragga. Play my booking and I'm all I'm free. But I play with them all songs to make a game and get around. Come to, Jonah Kata, come to, don't want to take that trail line and go circle, say the what tell them come to, Jonah Kata, come to, take that trail line and go circle, say, so they eliminate people, have a load them, build them from far, gunman them up, and find a case that no wait up, feed them out in a boy, feel in years, me get them put to them when them are free, build them get high, and them stand up in a space and them fan, start to jump off and them face out for late, they kick people in and them face and in a bugger, so behind our time to chase, they champion and some of the unite. Come on, class house, back up in the face. Why not the rest of the one plate, I go plate. One time I down them off the camera South Gate. Next one too small, put them in my briefcase. And the rest of boys go and technical case. Clean the shoes and tie the show place. Tell them it's a cat to come to run back the place. Tell them it's a one that every night I am gate. And hold on. Ragga. I say hello, no to them a gunman, make me turn one. Hello, come from Jacksonville, put up on one. What do you mean? Because killing pussy and we kill them before none. Killing pussy and we kill them before none. Killing pussy and we kill them before none. Killing a lunatic we kill them before none. 20 grand and we dig up me gun and ball it out cause the Indian come on. Show the cancer till I see I sound on. Bumper will get a free paper bone on. Why no really marathon for me gun on. When we come up for them visit. When I reach out to the one that does know. And in a yana. Wanna turn the put them in a second. Anytime it comes down the session of the Rama, I saw me suck it up on the regular version. Tell the one that the way in a good condition. Happy and the love is to be put up the one. We need on that we love from the fan. Sit up on the rhythm, sit up on the version. Long time on the old veteran. Boy, I just come out to them on the umbrella. Take the chain and I'm moving on the river town. Shot them on one night on the summer Ghana. With the bucket and them celebrates on the corner. Hey, to be nice, take me on the version. Anytime it comes down the session of the Rama. Put up the one for you a junglist man. Ball it out you a spanglers man. Well up you one a gully bank you come from man. Junior cat cop burn pendant and when me come just a kill champion. Tell me just to get me gun when you cut off mouth pump. Now to no dead man in a me car chunk. With part me drop them off a same place a dump. But now go find the body for 6 months. Me put on the gun and talk out to your junk. Biggest mistake aside Batman and punk. Boom, you ma roll flash out in a lump. You say them a forgot them a watchman rump. Got them go a jail and them no sleep on no bunk. Some of them a lunatic a jump, then jump. Watch me a cat no face come up.
Justice.
Oh Ragga. Oh Ragga. Oh Lord have mercy. I don't want to learn that mercy. Anorexal body no anorexal body, body anorexal body no anorexal body. Diana looks slim and she want get fat. She wanna be rude, she don't want no carrot. I tell you that the girl she don't fuck. She want one day for the anorexal do that, 2 days for the anorexal do that, 3 days for the anorexal do that. All of you wanna live your body natural. Why you like say you international? Oh, Ragga! Pull up! I'm a pet and pamper with the rhythm. Play Baba King, tell them it's all I bring. Play with the bounce on till I can get back, get the money to the man on the other. Play Baba King, you keep it up, it's come again. Wrong place on the wrong side, then just save blood out. Who am gonna save them now? So they want to collect now, see you go bow. Nobody never save them now. Sean Paul for me right boy, you're dead now. Silver cat and alley cat, them chop up like a bull cow. Red rat and black rat, them just drop in on me trap. Me reach all the top, all them bottom, them a swap. And same thing, me fish cocky that walk on up. You can't follow me and me them call Junior Cat. Bun down warrior, bun down warrior. Next trap. Next trap to the house. You don't want that like Carnival road to 9 Mile. All right, back. Blow the bounce on little on the hour. I'm skeleton board. War zone, boy dropping a war zone. Can't come out back on the skeleton. So behind the bus and gun, the world get this shut down. The stop bus for thing and miss it till the sundown. Some woman have got the person married that go round. But tell them about man, have them stand walk alone. Big bag of man behind them all over town. Billy bit of boy just get up and look round. The loser and talk, they never talk touching ground. From here to the 600 just a run down. War them want to take them down to my phone. From war start me this kind of kid telephone. So I mean, kill them all and come back alone. Well, below and never big over town. Big party fight, I want to get someone go to the war zone. Boy jump in a war zone. Can't come out back on the skeleton. Go to the war zone. Boy jump in a war zone. Can't come out back on the skeleton. They never ban. When downtown I run one, they never ban. When Gilbert a blows and they never ban. When Green the killing did a go on, they never ban. When Selassie I come here, because it's a boy I talk out and them run ya. Make a mistake and talk out to the gun ya. From how we do them go to the pillar. And know me, look so simple that a guy can't fool me. Cool like item and I for some know me. And I know trumpet so the guy can't blow me. Hallelujah, somebody with a story. Watch out, I got a witness and see the glory. Police shall attend the person and them a tweet me. They got information and pick up box with me. Why the man has everything some man says keep me. No them restaurant bars them eat me. No spot them never can split me. Two night got dog in them pants and pee. No one boy can't come defeat me. All I done found them have sent come greet me. Tight over tell them I take a Scarface to me. Pop them up me jacket show them double mouth row me. Uptown people all out them and know me. Things that they do so I get them show me. Nothing my man used to live below me. Stand up and pretend all of them and they grow me. Take it away. Oh yeah, man. Boy, you then you are go dead. Fuck with bad man, then shot in your head. Dump it, and then you are go dead. Fuck with bad man, then pull her up. If they never let you go, if they never listen program, if they never let you go. After broken foot and pop your wife, if they never let you go. Why you did this action, if they never let you go. So I cut them on the version. Anytime you come to the world, it's a love the ram. And if you're happy, I just love it to be put the back of one. But then every time that I hit them. Let's go!
Justice.
And I'm gonna big up this arena, big up the Almighty. Mr. Holy Emmanuel, King Selassie, Rastafari. So me I say, Baba he'll make it, Baba he'll set it, and that's what say.
Yeah, man.
Don't reckon
Baba
so.
Jesse.
Big up Baba Jesse, because you want to go on, you know. A long time we're around here and enough warriors sacrifice on the battlefield, you know. We have to tell the people about it. So me I say, we got raiders. We got Baba Jesse, them man come and justice thing year to years. And it's so unfortunate, you know. Them man the passed away, you see what me I say? Gunshot, them man the father, you see what me I say? When the world deny justice, them man say justice come forth, you see what me I say? So now that him passed away, I'm just look on the man say Junior. Here I go, I'm telling the story, you know. No fuckery, reality, true story. True story. It was a dark and murky Wednesday night. My friend was gunned down at midnight right at his front door. Right at his front door. I was far away when I got the news. I jumped in my car to see if it's true. Oh no. Please tell me, officer, it's not so. And I say it's murder. Murder. Another innocent life gone. What me say? I never seen him done no wrong. He was a awful Rasta man. That I know. That I know. Christian, who in their right mind could commit such a crime on an innocent man. Video. No one seems to know. No one got the answer. But the truth will come out someday. I say it's murder. Another innocent life gone. You me say no, Baba Jesse, anyway you're there. In Zion, you me say, oh, I wish that you were here now to smoke some high grade now. You're right, another hit song now. I tell you. Yo, Junior, let's go. So again, Holy justice. Hellfire bomb. There is no business like show business. The roughest business I know. There is no business like show business. I am the star for the show. She says she wants to have fun while she's young. She's keeping her show and invited me to come. She wants me to perform to keep her energized and warm. The show will start at dusk and at dawn. There is no business like show.
Justice, we tell them, justice is from the gun town. Touch juvenile and get gunned down. Real gangsters and we no fuck around. Them broke the speed limit and get gunned down. This is justice town, so necessary. We tell them say yo, justice to the fucking world. So
You don't know, you don't know now. I'm gonna let the DJ, you know. I'm out to the world, you know. Sea dog, you know, curry dog, you know. That's what we say, you know. You want to go on there too. Enough man I even know.
And next time,
Color Rush.
I'm tell the people in the place say you don't know righteousness cover the earth.
Yeah.
Though sometimes you get so jealous, justice
Pray for you.
and I hope that you pray for me too. Say my God made the rising sun, and He makes the morning dew.
More fire.
He makes the stars in the sky, the sea. Not so, but that draft that we have driven away. Justice pray for you. Even though sometimes you're so courageous, justice pray for you. Even though you're bad mind and malicious, justice pray for you. See it. And I say, blessed the man that walketh not in the counsel of the ungodly, nor stand in the ways of sinners, nor sit the seats of scornful. His delight in the Lord Rastafari, though he meditate day and night, he shall be like a tree that planted by the river of water. Now bringeth forth his fruits in the season. His leaf shall show not wither. Whatsoever he do shall prosper. The ungodly are